Hey guys, Aurora here. Thank you for watching Aurora's vlog. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own organic soy milk. This is what I have. It's so delicious. It's very intense soy milk. Oh my god, I could make this every day. So before we get down to it, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And let's get this video going. I am using the organic soybeans for our soy milk. This is what it looks like. Let's go ahead and rinse a cup at least of soybeans. So let's just use that much. Go ahead and transfer that to this bowl. All right. So what we need is just two things: the soybeans itself. This has been soaked up for overnight in water, and we have 1 liter of distilled water. We can turn this juicer into juicer. All right, close the spout. So I'm using the HUROM juicer, and if you have juicer at home, you don't need to buy the soy milk maker. The HUROM juicer works perfectly fine for that. So let's go ahead and start. And let's put a little bit of water. Just 1 scoop at a time. As you can see, the juicer itself has squeezed the beans. You don't have to squeeze it yourself. So this is why the HUROM juicer is so wonderful for that. We can add more scoop before we can release the milk. Add a little bit of water. Almost full. We can go ahead and release the milk. All right. Release it slowly. Now we can go ahead and simmer the soy milk. We have to cook the milk first. Now let's go ahead and transfer this to this pot. That wonderful? You can make your own soy milk. All right. We are ready to simmer this milk. Take a look at that. We have like a liter of soy milk for that 1 cup of soybeans. Now we can go ahead and simmer it. Alright, we can turn the heat down to a very low heat, and we can go ahead and cover it up. Let it simmer. Alright, we have simmered this for more than 20 minutes. Let's check this again. Looks like this is ready. Let's go and taste this soy milk. Let's taste this, our soy milk that we just made. It's still steaming hot. Ooh, I can smell the soy. Alright, and let's put a teaspoon of sugar. Oh my god, this is real fresh soy milk. Delicious.
Okay.
Wow, so delicious.
Never had warm soy milk before.
You never had warm soy milk? Let's try it with sugar. Try it and tell me what do you think.
Wow,
it's amazing.
Way better than I thought.
Isn't it?
Yeah, it's amazing. It has a strong nutty flavor to it.
Oh my god.
I guess that would be a soy flavor.
It is very soy. And this reminds me almost of tahu in the Philippines, or tofu. It smells like tofu. Alright, tell them what you think.
Tastes really good. Kind of, it tastes like milk. It's hard to describe.
It is very soy, like really soy milk. This is pure soy milk.
Much thicker taste.
Yes, it is. Flavor. Yeah, that's the right word. They're much thicker soy flavor.
More intense flavor.
Yes. Well, as you can see, I am very excited. Thank you for watching, guys. So excited. It's so delicious.